Hello friends, in today's concept video, we try to learn the shortcuts for solving converging series when we have all signs are plus or all signs are minus. The conventional method of solving this type of question is assume the complete series is x and replace the series by x when it starts from 35 again. So we replace root 35 plus 2 root 35 by the x because it's infinite series terms. So after solving this, we'll get x is nothing but 7. Solving the quadratic equation. There is no need to work like this. If you have these type of question, you just need to know the value of a into b and a minus b. The first number is a into b and the second number is a minus b. Since a into b is 35, a minus b is 2, so we can say a is 7 and b is 5. If all terms are plus, then we will get a bigger value, so the answer is 7. For this question, all terms are minus, so we'll get a smaller value, so the answer is 5. So when you have such type of question, just work on the first term as a into b, second term is a minus b. A into b is 35, a minus b is 2, so a is 7, b is 5, all positive than 7, all negative than 5. But the condition is 35 should be everywhere, it's a constant, and 2 is constant. There is no sign before the first root. Now, for the better clarity, solve another question. This is another question based on the same concept. The first term is nothing but a into b and the second term, which is not given, so we can say the hidden is nothing but 1, is a minus b. A into b is 12, a minus b is 1, so we can easily say a is 4, b is 3. All terms are minus, so we have a smaller value, so the answer of this is 3. When you have hidden terms, which is nothing but 1. Product is the first term, difference is the second term. If all minus, take the smaller values. I am giving you a question, pause the video and solve the question. You have question in front of you. Please pause the video for a few seconds and solve the question. I think you have solved the question. 110 is nothing but a into b. Hidden is what? 1. So that is a minus b. So a into b is 1110 and a minus b is 1. So it is nothing but 11 into 10 and all terms are negative. So the value of this should be 10. The numerator should be 10 for the denominator. A into b is 90 and hidden is 1. So that is a minus b. A into b is 90. A minus b is 1. So we can say this is 10 into 9. All terms are positive. So the bigger one, that is nothing but 10. Numerator is 10, denominator is 10, all cancel out, so our answer is 1. I hope it is clear to you. If you like the concept and shortcut, please like the video and subscribe this channel for the more concept videos. Thank you and happy learning.